guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another birthday series. This one will be a chit chatty skincare routine video where I'll answer some of the questions you guys sent me on YouTube community. I asked it on a post that if you have any questions related to me, and then do send me all your questions and I would be happy to answer all of them for you. And I have some spicy questions as well, like for personal life. I don't know if I would like to answer them or not, but I will be answering as much as I can in this video while doing my skincare for you guys. And I would be using these products today. This is a hamper from McCafe. This was sent by the brand, and if you would like to buy any of these products which are inside this huge ass box, you can definitely check out in the description box below. So let me just check out what all products are there. And oh, it's so pretty. This box contains these 5 products. So it has one face wash, one face scrub, face serum, face mask and under eye cream. So it is a perfect skincare routine for me, and today I will be doing my skincare and answering all of your queries to me. This box also you can get in combo, and you can get all of these products separately. All the links will be in the description box below, so don't forget to check them out. And if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel below so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I hope you enjoy such chit chatty videos. This is I think the first time that I'm making it. Now that I'm very comfortable with you guys, I want to talk it out and do these Q&A and live sessions very frequently so that you guys are updated about my life. And yeah, I just want to share with you all everything. So currently I'm wearing makeup. I'll just quickly remove my makeup and put my hair back in a bun, and then we will definitely start with the questions and the skincare. So let's get started. So guys, now I'm probably ready for this video. All the hair is up, I've removed my earrings, I have my lemonade right here, and I am in my night suit. So it will be a very laid back kind of a video, like a chill vibe kind of a video. So guys, starting off with the first step, I am going in with this McCafe Naked and Raw Coffee Face Wash. So this is their coffee range, and I was very keen to try this out. I've heard so many good things about this from my friends and also from other YouTubers. This is in 100 ml and this is for normal to oily skin. Let's just open and smell it, how it feels. Oh wow, it smells exactly like coffee, and can you see the texture? It looks like honey, but definitely it has a very strong smell of coffee. So let's start off with the first question. So someone asked me what kind of a person I am when it comes to birthday, because I think you guys must be thinking that why is she so excited about her birthday. So basically I am a Leo and I love to celebrate birthdays, and I love my birthday. Like I plan it like 2-3 months in advance, and I also like to shop a lot for my birthday. I keep some of the specific things that I want to spend my money on my birthday, and I get a lot of gifts as well. So that is something I really like. I think there is just one day when you can celebrate yourself and enjoy the rest of the year, and you just it makes you feel special, which I really like. And I just cleaned my face with this face wash. Actually it's very lightweight and gel type texture. I'm actually liking it. It smells really nice. So this was my first answer. And also someone asked me the age. I have told you guys so many times, but I think new people starts coming in. So my age is 24 right now, and I will be turning 25 this month. And it's scary actually. Thinking about 25 is like I'm growing so old, like an auntie, and it just feels really sad, but also excited to see what's stored for the next year. So I'll just quickly wash my face with water and come back for the second question. So guys, moving forward to the next step, that is the face scrub. So this one also contains coffee, and I think it's the same variant. It says that it cleans your face and pores, and it also contains argan oil, which deeply hydrates your skin. So this is something I think it will be good, but I stopped using physical scrubs like this. Let's see how it works on my skin. And also for the second question, some of you have this question that why I wear, I'm really sorry, my camera just went da-da-da. So yeah, some of you have this question regularly for me because of my Instagram photos and everything, and the way that I dress up, that why I don't wear Indian clothes and why I am so modernized and everything. Guys, there is no answer to that. I don't know what kind of India is shown outside in different countries. Oh, it has beads inside it. Really nice. Okay. And you usually see the bad side of India, like poverty and how women dress up, and there is no women equality and all. But we are a democratic country, and also we have rights, and women also execute the same right as men here. So you need to understand that every country has different cities, like they have villages, they have cities, and everyone dress up differently. In villages they usually wear traditional clothes, which is not bad at all. Like I am okay with it, and I also like to wear on weddings and functions. I think it's just that I find it a little uncomfortable to run around the whole day and do work like office stuff and all. So I need something which is more comfortable. But of course on weddings and occasions I only wear Indian clothes, because this is something our culture is related to. And we are well educated people, and we know the difference of when to wear what kind of clothes, and we love both equally. There is nothing like that I don't like to wear Indian clothes or something. It's just that it's a little uncomfortable, and also it's heavy, so you can't wear heavy Indian clothes on daily basis. So that is the only reason why I don't wear all of it. So guys, I just done with the face scrub. So moving on to the next question, you all want to know about my personal life, and if I'm getting married soon or not. If I'll get married, guys, I'll let you guys know, and you will be the first person, because I will be vlogging everything. Vyane will also be showing everything in a video, so there is nothing to hide as such. But currently I would like to keep everything private until I actually get married, because I don't know when it will happen. There is no as such planned, like I will be marrying in 1 year or 2 year. There is no plan as such. I am just currently working. I'm enjoying my work. Actually I have a lot of work. So now I will be using this M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee face mask. This bottle is really nice. Actually it is like a glass bottle. Oh wow, and it is a very rich textured face mask. This smells like Nutella, legit Nutella, and I don't know, let's try this one out. And sorry guys, I won't be revealing that for you all, and it's a bummer, I know, but this is something I want to keep it to myself. And I think it's okay not to disclose everything on YouTube, and stick something to your personal life. And you also want to know that how I manage a whole lot of friend circle. So you guys think I have a very big friend circle, but it's nothing like that. Before, when I was in college, of course I had such a big circle, but right now I think most of them are in different countries, or they are going to different countries, or they have work. We meet very less, and everyone is busy with their everyday office work and everything. Most of them are working. So there are 2-3 only you must have seen on my channel which are regular. That is it. That are the main people I meet on everyday basis, except that I don't usually meet a lot of people. So I'll let it dry for 10 minutes. And also, so my birthday plans. Oopsies. no issues. So my birthday plans, there is nothing as such planned on my birthday. I usually celebrate with my family, so I'll take them out for a dinner or something. And also for the next day, maybe I'll plan something with my office friends, because they are of same age, and they actually get it, like I am excited, so they are excited too. And I'll meet some people here and there. Aage piche log keeps coming for the cakes and everything, so excited for that. And but not excited for turning 25 at all. And also I got a lot of questions about skincare on, so some of you guys want to know that am I really regular with my skincare. Dude, yes, I do it every single day. And this is something that makes me happy. I was into makeup quite a lot, and then I discovered skincare, and I think it's more therapeutic, and it's more calming to use products and, you know, calm your skin down, just clean the dirt. It just gives me such a nice feeling, squeaky clean feeling in the night, and I do it on regular basis. So I'll just quickly wash it off, keep it for 10 minutes, and then wash it off, and then I'll come in. So I'm done with the face mask, and now I just have 2 steps left in this video. I think it is going to be a pretty long video. I've been speaking since past 20 minutes and I'm tired. So I will be using this Naked and Raw Coffee Face Serum. This, I don't know what I feel about this. It says coffee with white water lily. This is like putting chocolate or something on your face. Oh my god, this serum is so thick. Smells again. Oh, it smells like Starbucks coffee. Wow. Oh, I'm in love. The bottle and the packaging is very impressive. Can you see the thickness of the serum? I like very lightweight serum. This is very thick for me. ड्रॉपर तो यूज ही नहीं आ रहा है, बट लेट्स पुट सम हियर. I smell like I am taking a luxury bath or something like this. So moving on to the next question that I got is, will I be visiting Mexico or US first? So there is not as such any country on my list right now which I want to, you know, visit first, but probably seeing at the stats, I think I'll visit Mexico first. A lot of people are crazy about the US. I don't know why, but I never thought that way. I think it's too modernized. I like to go places where there is very natural beauty and there are mountains and greenery, like jungle and all. Us type ki places I like more, rather than just, you know, places with infrastructure and tall buildings and, you know, shopping streets. Because I don't like shopping a lot when I go out. I usually, you know, like to spend my money on experiences and adventures, or maybe I'll you know, spend all my money on skydiving and not shopping expensive like Dior and all. Meko to bilkul bhi, I don't have any interest in such, you know, expensive brands. You guys always think that I am into very expensive things because Vianney is very simple, but it's not like that. All of the stuff that I have, these are brand collaborations and all. This is my work, but I don't use them, or, you know, I don't buy them on regular basis. I like what I buy, like I give it a lot of thought, and I really ask myself, do I need this? Then only I go in and buy. This serum is nice, but I think I am feeling a little irritation on my skin, a little bit. I think it's too much coffee for me. And after doing this skincare, would the person be able to sleep with this coffee smell? A little irritating for the skin. I think maybe because I have put face mask and then coffee ho raha hai bahut zyada. But moving on to the last step, that is the under eye cream. The packaging, oh my god, 500 points for the packaging of the whole range, and this also looks very nice. So yeah, for the last question, I will take when I will be coming next live and what are my plans for the next year. So I take just this much amount of eye cream for me. I think it's pretty much it. The next year plans are very simple, और ऐसा कुछ तो नहीं है कि कुछ extraordinary will happen, but I am planning to I am working really hard nowadays, and I want to get settled down, and also I want to start my own business. I don't know if it will happen soon or not, but I really want to give my full time to YouTube and also start a business of something of my own, like my own line, as I have a lot of interest in different kind of thing in makeup and skincare. One day maybe I'll have my own line of makeup, हो सकता है. For that I need to do makeup course, so I am thinking to do a small makeup course just to learn a little more about how to apply. I know the basic stuff and all, but like a pro. So I am looking forward to find something for myself that I do, like a course or something. And this year is all about growth. I learn new stuff. I hopefully COVID leaves us, तो उसके बाद I can do a lot of stuff, and I can join swimming classes and all. I have a lot of things in mind to do. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. All of these products that I showed you from M Caffeine are available on Amazon and different website, and you can check all the links in the description box below. If you like any, you can buy them. I loved everything. I think just the serum, I'm not pretty much sure about the serum. बस इसको छोड़ के आई थिंक एवरी प्रोडक्ट इज ग्रेट, स्पेशली द फेस मास्क. द फेस मास्क स्मेल्स लाइक हेवन and it's really nice. The face wash and the face mask is my utmost favorite among all of these. So this is it for today's video. I hope you guys like this chit chatty kind of videos, and if you do, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon. Also, you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the birthday vlog coming really soon.